Cash App allows you to customize your identity through two key features that work differently and have distinct purposes. The first feature is your display name, and the second is your dollar cash tag. Each serves a different purpose and has different rules for changes. Your display name is what other users see when you send or receive money. It can be changed easily and should match your legal name for verification purposes. Your dollar cash tag is your unique username that serves as your payment handle. Changes are limited to typically 2 to 3 times per account, so choose wisely. Here's an example from the actual Cash App interface. You can see both the display name, Branson Knowles, and the dollar cash tag, Dollar Pay Branson, clearly displayed. Here are the key differences between display names and dollar cash tags. Notice that display names can be changed unlimited times, while dollar cash tags have strict limitations. Remember this important warning. Once a dollar cash tag is abandoned, it cannot be reused by anyone, including yourself. This makes your dollar cash tag changes permanent decisions. Let's start with changing your display name on Cash App. This is the name that appears on your profile and in transactions. Here are the 5 simple steps to change your display name. First, open Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top corner. Next, select Personal from the menu options. This will take you to your personal information page. Tap on your current name at the top of the personal information screen to edit it. Enter your new first and last name in the provided fields, then tap Save to confirm the change. Important note, if you're making a significant name change, Cash App may require additional verification with documents like a marriage certificate or updated ID. Now let's move on to changing your dollar cash tag, which is your unique payment handle. Changing your dollar cash tag follows a similar process, but with important limitations. Start by going to your profile. Tap directly on your current dollar cash tag to edit it. Enter your desired new dollar cash tag. Remember, it must be unique and follow Cash App's naming rules. The system will check if your desired name is available. If it's taken, you'll need to choose something else. Finally, confirm the change. But be careful, you can only change your dollar cash tag a limited number of times. Here are the critical limitations to remember. You can only change your dollar cash tag 2 to 3 times per account, so choose wisely. Your dollar cash tag must be between 3 and 20 characters, using only letters, numbers, and underscores. You cannot reuse old dollar cash tags, and remember to notify your contacts about any changes. Pro tip: plan your dollar cash tag changes very carefully since you have such limited modifications available. Choose something you'll be happy with long term.